Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Loganville local, and long-distance movers near me. Long-distance relocation is when you transport your belongings over a distance of 50 miles or more. Our professional drivers and movers help you plan your move and safely transfer your belongings within the state or across state lines. We can perform interstate and intrastate moves because we have excellent working relationships with all local and federal officials involved in relocation. Although long-distance moves are typically expensive, you don't need to worry about being overcharged. We offer the best rates and can work with your budget. We also have insurance policies in place to cover any hazards that may occur during the relocation. 3 Movers also offers local moving services in Loganville, Georgia. Generally, local moves are cheap. However, you get the best prices when you hire our services. Our local movers are very efficient and detailed. Once you reach out to us, we swing immediately into action. Our drivers are conversant with all the routes in the city. They follow the safest and quickest routes. One of the benefits you enjoy when you hire our services is our cheap hourly rates, which are as low as $30 and $40 an hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Loganville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.